Every day, billions of complex machines are working to keep the world moving, and Krytox high-performance lubricants are there. From semiconductors, aerospace and manufacturing markets to paper products, automotive and electronics, Krytox high-performance lubricants extend the lifespan of critical components, optimize computer performance, and ensure a smoother driving experience. The powerful chemistry of Krytox enables our unique oils and greases to work in the most extreme, unforgiving environments, while our ongoing commitment to sustainability reduces our production impact on the environment by reducing emissions and conserving wildlife habitats. At Chemours, we believe in the power of chemistry through responsible manufacturing. That's why it's not only what Krytox lubricants can do that matters, it's how they're made. Because when it comes to making an impact, Krytox is there.